So, you finally started earning as a freelancer, no boss, no office, and complete freedom to work your way. But let's be honest, managing freelance income can feel like riding a roller coaster. Some months, you're celebrating big payments. And other months, you're wondering where all your money disappeared. So how do the pros do it? How do full-time freelancers manage a regular income, pay their bills, and still save for the future? Today, I'll show you exactly how to manage your freelance income like a pro, even if your earnings are unpredictable. Let's start with tip number 1. Pay yourself a salary. Sounds strange, right? But it's the smartest move a freelancer can make. Instead of spending everything as soon as payments hit your account, decide on a fixed monthly salary for yourself. Let's say you earn £2,000 this month. Set aside what you need for expenses and keep the rest in a business account as a buffer. In slower months, that buffer will act as your safety net. Treat yourself like your own employee because you are. Tip number 2. Separate your business and personal accounts. Mixing them up is a recipe for confusion. Open a dedicated account for your freelance income. This helps you track payments, calculate taxes, and see your real profit clearly. It also makes you look more professional when dealing with clients. A simple step, but it creates instant clarity and structure in your money flow. Tip number 3. Build a tax fund. Now, not later. One of the biggest freelancer mistakes is forgetting that taxes aren't automatically deducted. Every time you get paid, put aside at least 20 to 25% of your earnings into a separate tax savings account. That way, tax season won't feel like a sudden disaster. In fact, treat that tax money as if it never belonged to you, because technically, it doesn't. Tip number 4. Create a monthly budget that adjusts to variable income. Unlike a regular job, your income fluctuates, so your budget should too. Start by identifying your essential expenses, rent, utilities, food, internet, the non-negotiable. Then, during high-income months, cover those basics and save extra to cushion low-income months. Use a baseline budgeting method. Base your spending on your lowest average monthly income, not your highest. That way, you'll always stay financially stable, even when projects slow down. Tip number 5. Automate your savings and investments. Freelancers often delay saving because their income feels unpredictable, but consistency matters more than the amount. Set an automatic transfer from your account every month, even if it's just £50 or £100, into a separate savings or investment fund. This builds discipline and ensures your future isn't left to chance. Consider low-risk options like high-yield savings accounts, index funds, or retirement plans for freelancers because financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how well you plan. Now let's talk about cash flow management, the part most freelancers overlook. Always track your invoices and payment dates. Use tools like Notion, Google Sheets, or apps like Bonsai QuickBooks, or Wave to keep everything organized. Send invoices on time, follow up politely but firmly, and always have written contracts before starting any project. Remember, you're not just a creative, you're also your own finance manager. Another pro-level habit. Plan for business reinvestment. Whether it's upgrading your laptop, learning a new skill, or paying for ads, set aside a small portion of every payment, say 10% for professional growth. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into higher-paying opportunities later. The more you invest in improving your craft, the more stable and profitable your freelance career becomes.